Ladies and gentlemen, this is SoFlo Josh, and we're here at the 24 Hours of Daytona. And right in front of me, I have the Ioniq 6N. Now, as many of you know, the Ioniq 5N was the first all-electric end product, and now the Ioniq 6N is its second electric end product. Now, funny enough, this is the only Ioniq 6 that will be coming to the States with the refresh design, because the regular Ioniq 6 isn't selling well. So these models are actually going to be coming in limited quantity for the United States compared to the rest of the world. But as you see, it still gets that bold end grille design with the front splitter that's marked in red. Really like the accents. You got the new metallic performance blue, which I absolutely love. Look at it shine in the Florida sunshine. And as you see, you got the M badging, open up lower grille design, getting around here to the side. You can actually see how this model looks. Bold, aggressive. It's got a wider rear fender, wider front fender to go ahead and accommodate those larger tires to put more power down. It's also got upgraded brakes, just like what you find in the Ioniq 5N. And as you see, the door handles do go ahead and pop out like the regular Ioniq 6 version. We got a new interior design with these bucket seats that are also suede material. You have your GB over there on the side. You also have brake regenerative on the paddles itself, but you also have your drive modes, your N buttons on the lower section. It actually looks really nice in this interior, and I like the fact that they finally fixed the one issue the Ioniq 6 had, which was that white bezel that went across. But as you see, center console has absolutely changed. You have your window switch gears there in the middle, which is something very, very interesting for a Hyundai product, but I haven't really seen that before. And then getting over here to the back, as you see, the rear spoiler is large and in charge. It's gonna add some more downforce. Of course, this vehicle is all-wheel drive, but it does have an electronic and limited slip differential at the rear to go ahead and send power, distribute it evenly throughout it. But what do you guys think? Do you guys like the way this vehicle is designed? I personally do. I think it looks amazing. I mean, it's sad that electric vehicles aren't doing as well in the States, but at least in Europe, you guys will be able to get more of these because these are coming in limited quantities. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.